So we're gonna grab the box and I'm gonna just roll it out of the way. We'll roll it over here. Now it's time to open the Hutch. Am I saying that right? Hello? 56-inch work center Hutch. Yeah, it's a Hutch. Let's open her up. Okay. God, I'm so excited, guys. Can we just open this like this? Oh. Come on, I can do it. Get up. I'm a pro. We gotta save these so we're working on the floor. Well, this over here. And I give you the Hutch. What? That one's facing the other way too? Damn it. It would have been cool if they were both facing that way. This one, I don't think we can move. Oh, yeah, we can. All right. All right. Now let's inspect this one. Look at that. That's some Spider-Man stuff right there. Oh my God, look at that. Damn, homies. We're gonna put a big ass Lucky's DIY garage right here, all in black letters too. Look at this. So it's got our trays. Got some trays up in here. Some directions. You got something for like your flatheads and stuff, screwdrivers and shit like that. Well, let's go look around. So here's our Hutch. Let's look at the top, verify there's no dents, no scratches, no, I'm not really concerned about scratches. This is the fucking toolbox. But we're gonna make sure that like the corners are not like creased up, fucked up from shipping, you know, no severe dents. Like I said, if there's like a little nipple dent right there, I'm not gonna trip, you know, because regardless, we're gonna fuck it up anyways. Look at the back side, looks pretty good. Top part. And in here, look at that. And we are gonna put a light bar también too, so we can see. But here she is. I don't see anything damaged. The lip, the corners. Let's check the front door. The front door, looking good. It's looking good. Let's open this up. Yeah, we're gonna have to put that on there. And that's where my wife comes into play. Yup. Let's roll the other box over here. All right, let's roll this one over here. And I'm gonna put it in front of it. So when me and my beautiful wife pick it up, I'm gonna see if my wife can help me. If she can't, then she can't. So we're gonna lock it. Okay, it's in place. These don't got locks, right? No, these casters don't have locks. I am gonna drink my Starbucks, as my wife say, Starbies. I'm gonna drink my Starbies. How my wife says, Starbies. If you guys are wondering, this is the iced chai with raspberry foam. Pretty good, pretty good. It's okay, we're gonna have to just put it up here.
Do you have rags or something so I don't like scratch it?
No, I don't care about scratching here, the lip. I'm good, all right. So let's see if you're able to. So put your finger in here, and then you grab here. Here, look. So right here on the side, we'll grab right here.
Close this?
If we close it, I don't feel like we're gonna have space.
We're not gonna fall on our hands?
No. Ready? So let's see.
No.
Let's see if you're able to do it. 1, 2. Go. No? You gotta lift with your legs.
I'm not even lifting it.
Oh.
Oh.
Can you or no?
Fuck it, let's just do it.
Ready? Let's see. Can you do it? Oh, shit. Okay, hold on. Oh, hold on. This thing's stuck with it. Hold on. Hold on. There you go. Okay.
Oh, fuck.
Put it on your knee. On your knee. You got it? Okay, now look. See the bottom right here? Damn, my wife's badass. Ready? Okay. Okay, now, oh, hold on. Lift it up. Oh, shit. There you go. I didn't think she was gonna do it. You did it, babe. No, I don't care if you chip it, babe. I care about you more than this fucking box. Anyways.
Ow.
You okay? I love you. Damn. Shout out to my wife. Check her out. La vida with Kim. Yeah. Not literally check her out. Don't check her out. I'll just play with you. All right, let's do this. Damn, my wife is badass, man. I love her. She's ride or die, man. She's like, if I break a nail. All right. No nails were broken in this video. Look at that, man. Look at that, man, Majama. Let's close her up. Look at that, guys. Look at it. So here she is, guys. Our US General Series 3 top hatch and your double bank toolbox. Right? Yeah, double bank roller. Damn! Hell to the yeah. And I think you can take off this plastic shit down here too, if you don't like it. But we are gonna put my logo right here. We gotta do something, man. Look at that. Oh, I think the only downfall is, look, the height. Banging my head. So what if I wanna go somewhere and bam! I'm not knocked out on the floor like that, you know? Oh, we gotta transfer the tools and everything. All set up, man. All set up. If you guys are curious what it looks in the back, that's how she looks in the back. You got this for the cables if you're gonna put some like charging ports or some shit. Now, we're gonna move my toolbox, this cart, and my little roller cart. We're gonna move all that out of the way, and we're gonna put this right there. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do with this. I don't know, but this is my 42, and that's the 56. I'm about to say 42 otra vez. Let's move this out of the way. Let's do a comparison real quick. God damn, that's crazy, man. You're strong. You don't know it yet. All right. Let's move my cart out of the way. My blower, because you know I'm Mexican, you're gonna have to have one. You know? I feel Mexican with it. And I'll put them together so we can do a comparison. Put this right there. So right here, you can see the difference. This is my old 42 and this is 56. You guys can see the big ass difference. This one's bigger than that one. Nice, very nice indeed. Now what I love about this one, it has these little drawers. So if you wanna put your miscellaneous shit, that's what I like about this one. Like I said, they should have done that here. They should have just cut this one in half and do like two little ones up here. That would have been more cooler than having just one big one here, one big one here. It's just a waste of space. Me personally, that's what I think. They could have done two little ones and half, two deep ones. They could have done that. That's the only thing. That's the only thing I see. All right, let's move this out of the way. Oh. And this thing is good. So when your wife tells you to sweep, simple. Got it, babe. You're done. She would never know. And remember, guys, we are getting our side locker right here. I am gonna get one of those ordered. For now, I think I'm gonna set it right there. All right, I'm not gonna bore you with all the setup and everything, so I just moved all my shit over here. Over here, I'm gonna put the cables and everything. And then once I'm done with all that, then we'll get back to the video. Okay? I don't wanna bore you. I don't wanna bore you. I'll be back. My wife is so perfect, guys. Look, she's helping me throw all the trash away for the toolbox. In there. Where's she at? She disappeared. Oh, she's in there, you see? She's so cute, man. She's a badass wife, man. Badass wife. Almost there. We're almost done setting everything up. Like I said, I didn't want to bore you with all the process of putting everything back and together, but almost there. All right, homies, we're done. It took a bit. It took a bit to transfer all the tools from this one to that one, but we got it done. So I put these here for now. I still have a couple of drawers full. Look, I'm gonna show you guys. Shit like miscellaneous shit. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with that. But I got most of everything. Like I said, it's just, oh shit. Left my button almost for a trailblazer. But it's just a bunch of miscellaneous shit, you know what I mean? So for now, we'll leave that there. We'll figure out what we're gonna do. We got all our sockets. I am gonna get a whole new roll cart because I like the roll cart when I'm rolling around to the cars, you know what I mean? I don't have to keep going back and forth to the big box, you know? So this, I got it all empty for now. I gotta transfer all my, oh shit. My Darth Maul fucking magnet. No, no, no. Oh shit, and my Good Guys magnet. Oh no, no, no. Anyways, yeah. But we got these set right here. I'll figure out what I'm gonna do with those. And here she is. Bam! Right there. Damn, man. Let's do a quick toolbox tour. Just quick, okay? We'll do a whole different video on a full toolbox tour. So I didn't really organize. I just put like everything down, but I didn't really organize everything. But let's go double check. So first, we do have our blower. This is the Mexican blower. You gotta have that. Here, I have my pry bars. Let me see. I have my pry bars there. I still gotta get more. Coolant, you know, stuff. My tripods, I'm gonna keep all over here. This tray that it came with, I didn't even use, but we'll leave it there. All right, here we go. Let's open her up. There. So this is how the top hatch looks like. Got my placa, got some screwdrivers. Now this was a heavier box right here. This is the heaviest box right here I had to transfer. That mother was heavy. But I got my AAC medallion forward, beware of the wife. Yes, beware of the wife, guys. Ta loca. No, I'm just like, we'll put Darth Maul right there. Oh man, looks right there. Yeah, put it right there. We'll put this magnet right there. Yeah, there you go. My stickers and magnets right here. The placa, our scan tool, jump box, magnet trays, our picks. Now we're gonna open this top drawer. First one, ready? Bam! So this is all our sockets. Like I said, this is not gonna be a toolbox tour. We'll do that in a different video because some of you are requesting a toolbox tour. So we'll do that in a different video. But this is what I have on the top one. Oh, ciao! Okay, let's close it. Now let's go for the bottom one. This is my wrench drawer. Look at that. Next, come on, right there. Bam, we got our pliers drawer. I am gonna organize all of them. For now, I just set them all down, but I'm gonna get one that organizes all of them so I can have more space for it. So for now, we'll put it there. This drawer, like I said, not a space. I mean, I don't know what I'm using it for, but I just put these here for now. These long ones here, you have your coolant hoses, oil filter pliers, air chuck, whatever. All that's there. This drawer, I got from my impacts, my electrics. Yeah, I don't really use air. That one is air. I saw the Milwaukee one. Like I said, we'll talk about that later. But anyways, that's that drawer. This, I got all like the miscellaneous, you know, random shit. You got your leak down tester, brake stuff, pulley remover. Here's a harmonic balancer, your everything. You know what I mean? All that here. I have my power probe, my heat gun, scan tool, all that in this drawer. This one, like I said, still organizing. Got my couple of special tools there. Seat belt, you know, when you gotta spank the engine. This one, it's the power drawer, charger. This is my Milwaukee snap-on, Mako snap-on. So there's a power drawer, and if you turn it on, just turn it on here. Bam. Now there's power to all of that. And the cable runs from there all the way to there, okay? But we're gonna leave for the day. Let's turn that off. And that's how she looks like, guys. Look at that. This is my setup. I am gonna get the side locker. I'm thinking about putting it on this side right here. The side locker is gonna be over here. And then we can start organizing all those special tools and big stuff all in there. Organize it. Maybe a mini fridge. I do wanna get a mini fridge. So I might get a mini fridge. I don't know. So yeah, I might get a mini fridge. That's what I was thinking about. But here she is. This is the setup. Oh, I'm so excited, homies. I'm gonna come into work and be like, hey, you need something fixed? I got you. You know what I mean? But it's pretty cool. I mean, they come out easy. Look, like, wait, a little too hard. But they come out pretty easy, smooth. Like I said, I'm not gonna keep all my sockets here. I like using a roll cart. I think it's pointless when you come here, get your socket, go over there. So I am gonna get the new one, but the full drawer one, and then I'll transfer some of my wrenches there. The most commonly used tools, it's gonna be in the roll cart. You know what I mean, homies? But that's how she looks, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for kicking it with me. Like, subscribe. You don't have to like. Put me a negative comment, good comment in the bottom, whatever you want. It's free country, right? Whatever you want in the bottom. All right, homies. I can't wait to come back to work Monday.